Hi, my name's Rob and welcome to the Ratchet Shop video series. In this video we'll be looking at the vehicle recovery set. Vehicle recovery sets are designed for securing cars to the vehicle recovery trailers. In each set you get 4 ratchet straps and 4 soft wheel chokers, as you can see here. This is a 3,000 kilogram vehicle recovery set and has a strength rating of 3 tons, making it suitable for larger vehicles. We can supply these vehicle recovery sets with either 4 metre or 6 metre length ratchet straps, which are made from polyester that is strong and durable. This polyester helps to secure the vehicle without damaging the paintwork. You can also choose between 460mm or 560mm soft wheel chokers. These soft wheel chokers are designed to prevent damage to the alloy wheels. The main purpose of the wheel chokers is to keep the ratchet strap taut when tightening. To use these vehicle recovery sets, anchor the ratchet strap to a suitable anchor point on the trailer and pass the webbing through one of the loops at the end of the wheel choker. Then, wrap the ratchet strap around the back of the vehicle's wheel and pass it through the loop at the other end of the wheel choker. Anchor the section of the ratchet strap with a ratchet handle to another anchor point and feed the loose end of the ratchet strap that has passed around the wheel into the ratchet drum. Use this ratchet handle to create tension. You want to have the wheel secured with the ratchet strap webbing behind the wheel and the wheel choker positioned horizontally across the front of the wheel. Repeat this with each wheel. If you need to recover even larger vehicles, then the Ratchet Shop can also provide a 5,000 kilogram recovery set with a strengthening rating of 5 tons. All our products are tested and certified to European standards. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to check out the Ratchet Shop for more products.